Welcome to session number 4 of chapter 2 linear equations in one variable of class 8. Today we will do exercise 2.2 continuously. So let's start. Question number 9. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later the sum of their age will be 56 years. What are their present age? That means राहुल और अरुण का प्रेजेंट एज का रेशो है 5:7 एंड 4 ईयर्स लेटर द सम, और 4 साल के बाद उनके एज का सम कितना होगा 56 ईयर्स. तो व्हाट आर देयर प्रेजेंट एज, तो उनका प्रेजेंट एज कितना है वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ राहुल equal to 5x and the present age of Harun equal to 7x. 5x and 7x are the present age of Rahul and Harun, and 4 years later, now 4 years later these are present age. 4 years के बाद उनका एज कितना होगा, एज ऑफ राहुल 4 years के बाद इनका एज क्या होगा, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज, इंक्रीज होगा. सो क्या होगा प्लस, तो 5x प्लस 4. द एज ऑफ राहुल इक्वल टू 5x प्लस 4 एंड एज ऑफ हारून equal to 7x plus 4. Now according to question, is the sum of their age will be 56. that means इन दोनों का टोटल कितना होगा 56. then 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. Now 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 4 plus 4 8 equal to 56. Now 8 को राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर करेंगे, देन 12x equal to 56 minus 8. 12x equal to 56 minus 8 is 48, and the value of x will be 48 upon 12, so x equal to 4. Now the value of x is 4 and we have to find the present age of Rahul and Harun. The present age of Rahul is 5x, therefore the present age of Rahul equal to 5x and the value of x is 4. So 5 into 4 equal to 20 years, and present age of Harun equal to 7x, that means 7 into 4 equal to 28 years. Now come to the question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. that means boys और girls का ratio कितना है 7:5. the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. what is the total class strength? and the number of boys is 8 more than the girls. for example girls कितना है 10, तो number of boys कितना है 10 plus 8, that means 18. so question number 10, let the number of boys in the class equal to 7x and the number of girls in the class equal to 5x. now according to question, according to question is number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So number of boys is 7x and number of girls is 5x. That means 7x equal to 5x plus 8. Number of boys equal to 5x plus 8. That means more than 8 of number of girls. Now 7x equal to 5x plus 8. 5x को लेफ्ट साइड में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. 7x माइनस 5x इक्वल टू 8. 2x इक्वल टू 8. नाउ x इक्वल टू 8 अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू 4. Then the value of x is 4. Therefore number of boys equal to 7x and the value of x is 4. Then 7 into 4 is 28. And the number of girls equal to 5x. 5 into 4 equal to 20. Therefore total class strength equal to number of boys plus number of girls. That means 28 plus 20 equal to 48. So the number of total strength is 48. Now question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung's. The sum of the age of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? According to question, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Means Baichung के फादर का एज कितना है? Baichung के ग्रैंडफादर से 26 ईयर कम है. एंड 29 ईयर ओल्डर देन Baichung's, और Baichung से कितना ज़्यादा है? 29 ईयर्स. एंड द सम ऑफ एज ऑफ ऑल थ्री इज 135. तीनों का एज का योग सम कितना है? 135 ईयर्स. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एज ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ देम. सबका हमें एज फाइंड करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. लेट द एज ऑफ Baichung's equal to x years and the age of Baichung's father. Baichung's father का एज कितना है? 29 ईयर मोर देन Baichung's. तो Baichung का एज x प्लस 29 years and the age of Baichung's grandfather equal to x plus 29 plus 26 years. ग्रैंडफादर का एज कितना है Baichung के फादर से? 26 ईयर मोर. So the age of Baichung's grandfather is x plus 29 plus 26. Now according to question, the sum of their age is 135. So the age of Baichung is x. The age of Baichung's father x plus 29 and the age of Baichung's grandfather is x plus 29 plus 26 equal to 135. X plus x plus x is 3x and 29 plus 26 is 84 equal to 135. Now 84 को राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो 3x इक्वल टू 135 माइनस 84 and 3x equal to 135 minus 84 is 51. Now x equal to 51 upon 3 equal to 17. So the value of x is 17. Now therefore age of Baichungs equal to x, that means 17 years, and the age of Baichung's father equal to x plus 29. Now value of x is 17 plus 29 equal to 46 years. Now the age of Baichung's grandfather and the age of Baichung's grandfather, x plus 29 plus 26, that means x plus 29 plus 26, 17 plus 29 plus 26 equal to 72 years. So the age of Baichung is 17 years and the age of father 46 and the age of grandfather is 72 years. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So question number 12. Let the present age of Ravi equal to x years, and after 15 years age of Ravi equal to x plus 15 years. Now according to question, is 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. तो 15 years के बाद एज कितना है, x plus 15, and it is equal to 4 time of present age, and the present age is x, so equal to 4x. Now x को राइट साइड ट्रांसफर करें, 4x minus x equal to 15, 4x minus x 3x equal to 15, and the x is 15 upon 3, x equal to 5. Now the value of x is 5. Therefore the present age of Ravi equal to x, and the value of x is 5 years. So the present age of Ravi is 5 years. Now question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? So let the rational number be equal to x. Now according to question, is when you multiply it by 5 upon 2, so x into 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 you get minus 7 upon 12 equal to 7 upon 12. So x into 5 is 5x upon 2 equal to 2 upon 3 को राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर, minus 7 upon 12 and minus 2 upon 3. Now 5x upon 2 equal to the LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. minus 7 and 12 by 3 is 4. 4 into 2 8 and sign is minus, so minus 8. 5x upon 2 equal to minus 15 upon 12. Now cross multiply, then the value of x is 2 into minus 15 upon 5 into 12. 5 से minus 3, 2 से 6 and 3 से 2. Now x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore the rational number is x and the value of x is minus 1 upon 2. Now come to the question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5 and the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. And how many notes of each denomination does she have? That means लक्ष्मी कैशियर है और उसके पास में 100, 50 और 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स हैं एंड द रेशियो ऑफ नोट्स इज 2:3:5 एंड द टोटल कैश इज 4 lakh. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ नोट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Let the number of rupees 100 notes. 100 नोट का रेशियो कितना है 2. सो 2x and the number of rupees 50 notes. rupees 50 का रेशियो 3. Now 3x and the number of rupees 10 notes equal to ratio is 5, so 5x. Now according to question, total money she had. These are number of notes, so total value of notes equal to, therefore total money she had equal to 2x number of notes 100, then the value of notes is 2x into 100 and 3x number of notes of 50, so 3x into 50 plus 10 into 5x. 2 into 100, 200x plus 150x plus 50x equal to 400x. 400x equal to 4 lakh. Then 400x equal to 4 lakhs. Now x equal to upon 400. Now x equal to 1000. So the value of x is 1000. Therefore number of rupees 100 notes equal to 2x and the value of x is 1000, so 2 into 1000 equal to 2000 and number of rupees 50 notes equal to 3x equal to 3 into 1000, that means 3000 and the number of rupees 10 notes equal to 5x. 5 into 1000 means 5000. So number of 100 rupees note is 2000, 50 rupees 3000 and 10 rupees notes is 5000. Come to the question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins and the total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So question number 15. So total money I had equal to rupees 300 and total number of coins equal to 160. Now let the number of rupees 5 coins equal to x and the number of rupees 2 coins equal to 3x. Therefore the number of rupees 1 coins, here the total coins is 160 and the rupees 5 coins is x and the rupees 2 coins is 3x. Then the rupees 1 coins is 160 minus x plus 3x equal to 160 minus 4x. Now according to question, here the number of rupees 5 coins is x, that means the value of coins 5 into x means 5x plus the number of rupees 2 coins is 3x, that means the value of coins are 2 into 3 means this one, and the rupees of 1 coins is 160 minus 4x, so value of rupees 1 coins is 160 minus 4x and the total value of coins is 300. Now 5x plus 2 into 3 is 6x plus 160 minus 4x equal to 300. Here 5x plus 6x 11x and 11x minus 4x 7x plus 160 equal to 300 and the 7x equal to 300, right side में transfer minus 160, so 7x equal to 300 minus 160 is 140 and the x is 140 upon 7, that means 20. Now the value of x is 20. Therefore number of rupees 5 coins equal to x, that means 20, and the number of rupees 2 coins equal to 3x, that means 3 into 2, 3 into 20, that is 60, and number of rupees 1 coins equal to 160 minus 4x, so 160 minus 4 into 20, so 160 minus 80 equal to 80. So number of rupees 1 coins is 80 and rupees 2 coins is 60 and rupees 5 coins is 20. Now come to the last question of exercise 2.2, question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed in rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So total prize money is equal to 3000 and prize money given to a winner equal to rupees 100 and prize money given to a participant equal to rupees 25 and the total number of participants equal to 63. Now let the number of winners equal to x. So the number of participants who does not win equal to 63 minus x. Now according to question, here the winners in the competition get a prize of rupees 100. So the number of winners is x, that means 100x plus, and the participant who does not win gets rupees 25 and the number of participant who does not win 63 minus x, that means 25 into 63 minus x and the total money is 3000 equal to 100x plus 25 into 63 is 1575 and 25 minus x is 25x equal to 3000. 100x minus 25x is 75x plus 1575 equal to 3000. 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575. 75x equal to 1425. Now the value of x is 75. So x equal to 19. Therefore the number of winners equal to x and the value of x is 19. So that's all for today's session. In the next session we will start exercise 2.3. Thank you and have a good day.